In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a ticket in Jira, an essential part of managing your tasks efficiently. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a quick and straightforward manner. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the project that you're working with. This is the starting point for everything you do in Jira. Make sure you're in the correct project by locating it from your project list. Selecting the right project is crucial because this is where all your tasks and tickets reside. With the correct project open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, once your project is open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and click on Board. The board represents a visual overview of all the tasks and their current status. This is where you'll find the interactive columns that reflect different stages of your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Understanding this layout will enable you to visualize your tasks effectively and manage them with ease. By clicking on Board, you ensure that you're navigating to the area where you can view and interact with your tickets. Next, it's time to locate the specific ticket you want to close. This involves looking through the tasks listed under the active columns. Review the tasks assigned to you or your team, and once you find the ticket you intend to close, prepare to move it. The act of closing a ticket in Jira is intuitive. It involves clicking on the chosen ticket, holding it, and then dragging it to the Done column. This simple action signifies that the task is complete and communicates to your team that the work has been finalized. Dropping the ticket into the Done column is a crucial step. It updates the status of the ticket and reflects your progress on the project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully close a ticket in Jira. Remember, being familiar with your project layout and understanding the movement of tickets across the columns ensures effective task management. Jira is a powerful tool for project management, and mastering it can greatly enhance your productivity and collaboration with your team. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to close a ticket in Jira. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be navigating and managing your projects in Jira like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you next time.